Living like a race. Living like a race. Yeah. Living like a race. Living like a race.
Hey guys, what is going on and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna ride the bike, Suzuki, and try this new setup I have, which may be used for motovlogging. So we got the GoPro on the side here, and then a connector to a mic all the way at the bottom here. And this is pretty much just gonna be a test to see how well it works. So if it's bad, it sucks, but we'll like kind of work from there to make it better. So let's just go see it and just trip through the city.
Say hi. Driveway thing back here. But it is hot as hell, so I'm gonna go just ride and see some of the city right now. I don't think any protests are going on right now. Well, I don't think so. It's no longer the weekend, but not totally sure. We'll just go see what's going on. So as everyone knows, I'm sure, with the whole Black Lives Matter protests and what happened to George Floyd, very unfortunate, but it's led to a lot of peaceful protests, but also unfortunately a lot of, riots, so to say, which has led to looting and all the crazy stuff that's going on, people stealing stuff, burning cars and whatnot. The likes of that has happened in Philly as well. I know on Chestnut Street is where they had the worst looting, but it happened all over the place. Even my Target, for instance, they boarded it all up before anyone could even do anything. But it's still pretty crazy, the shit that goes on. And not even that, on top of that, we have all of the downed trees and like I showed just a second ago, the tree that fell down on a car from the storm that happened basically at the same time or during all these protests. So it's definitely pretty crazy. I'm gonna go around this guy, I guess. It's definitely pretty crazy what's all going on in this city right now. And I just moved here 3-ish weeks ago, so it's been a hell of a couple first weeks with the whole virus, the protests, the crazy weather. But I figured I'd just show you guys around the city here. Lots of people out all the time still. People just don't care about wearing masks anymore either. But pretty crazy time. Now I'm hoping that this mic and GoPro setup comes out okay. My GoPro is pretty damn old, so the quality's gonna be pretty poor. But there's no reason that this mic shouldn't perform okay with it. So I mean, I'll look to getting a better GoPro here soon, but this will do for the time being. I've had this mic for a bit and just wanted to get out and do it. Alright, so this wall here actually just a day ago was all boarded up, and this street right here was actually closed down by the cops for about an entire week. So you can still see Domino's right there is boarded up, but they've kind of, I guess, slowed down on all of the, actual rioting since, a lot of George Floyd's family also came forward and, asked people to stop stealing and destroying stuff, because that's not what he would have wanted. But please, cops, don't pull me over, because none of my turn signals or my brake light works. Please don't pull me over. Oh, and I'm missing both my mirrors. Yeah, if you're curious, both of them fell off. You can see one of my older videos. That exact thing happening. And man, is it hot right now. It's hot as balls. Independence Hall. I actually hate not having a mirror. It really sucks. And I think the mirror just makes the bike look cool as well. It's good to see people out here finally, doing stuff, making it look less and less like there's a virus. Well, I don't know if that's good or bad, because people in Philly just don't seem to really care anymore. So much less people are wearing masks, which makes you feel like it's over, even though it's really, not over. So we are right next to Love Park right now. And we're coming up on the municipal building. I guess the cops and National Guard are actually still there. as you can see right there. Guy's right up on the corner there. Pretty crazy stuff. They also had that Frank Rizzo statue removed, as I'm sure people saw, that old Philadelphia mayor and I think police chief who was infamously, you know, pretty racist dude, I guess. But crazy things going on here. Yeah, so here is a lot of what's going on right now. Crazy stuff. All the cops. National Guard's here, but their Humvees are no longer here. Interesting stuff, but actually not there. Alright, so I guess I wasn't recording that whole time. Just coming up and around. But, some guy tried to merge into me, which I was hoping I would catch, but I guess not. But these are the Rocky Steps, as they're known. It's just the Philadelphia Museum of Art. A lot of people like to work out here. I do sometimes, like yesterday. But this is where a lot of the protests were started, and then they walked to Independence Hall, I believe. But still pretty crazy. Awesome steps though, an awesome view of the city. You want to race, buddy? I win. I beat you in the race, buddy. You're nothing. Shop liver. This is an $800 bike. How much does that Mustang cost? Who knows, but I'm the winner. I'm the real winner today. It's so hot. Dying of heat right now. Dying of heat. Skateboard. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, like, come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. There you go. Neutral. Ah! Cool van. Oh yes, totally forgot about this additional interesting thing in Philly, which was these cars. Just one of them just slammed into one another, and nothing's been done about it. So who knows? Crazy world. I'll see you later. Peace.
If I'm sipping on it, it's a strong one. She just seen the check and it's a long one. If I take her home, then it's a hard